In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your deactivated Facebook account. Whether you deactivated your account voluntarily or accidentally, getting back into it can be straightforward. Let's walk through the process, focusing on clarity and ease so you feel confident about reclaiming your online presence. To start, you'll want to head over to Facebook. You can do this by visiting facebook.com in your web browser or simply by opening your Facebook app if you're on a mobile device. This is the first essential step to reviving your deactivated account, and once you've got Facebook open, you're already on your way to rejoining the community. Next, you'll need to log in with your credentials. Here, you'll enter your email or phone number associated with the account coupled with your password. It's crucial to use the correct information to avoid any login issues. Make sure your device is connected to the internet and your details are entered correctly, then tap the login button. This step is the gateway to getting everything back in order. Now here's where the magic happens. Reactivation occurs automatically. As soon as you press that login button, your account, along with all your friends, posts, and pages, will spring back to life just as you left them. This seamless transition means that there's no need for any additional steps or verifications. It feels like turning back time to when you were an active user, with everything intact and waiting for you. However, it's worth noting that in some cases, Facebook might request a security confirmation. This is a simple process, typically involving verifying your identity or completing a quick check which ensures your account remains secure. By following any on-screen instructions, you can easily satisfy these requirements and proceed to rekindle your digital interactions without a hitch. With this straightforward process, you're all set to dive back into your social life on Facebook. By using your existing credentials to log back in, you'll find your deactivated account becomes fully operational again, reconnecting you with your network and resuming your connection to the Facebook world. Remember, maintaining the security of your account is key, so keep an eye out for any prompts and ensure your login details are always up to date and secure. That wraps up our guide on recovering a deactivated Facebook account. As you can see, it's a simple, hassle-free process that only requires you to log in. Thanks for watching, and we hope you're now ready to jump back into sharing and